Greetings, class. Again, I'm rolling through these activities, and I wanted to this time. Let's see. I wanted to go through the module. I want to start from there. So let's say you're looking at the course schedule, and we are now in Module 2, and I need to look and see. There's some extra credit there. I need to complete a quiz, but there's that activity 2. That would be a group activity. It says read pages 333 through 335. So I'm going to get my book out and I'm going to read pages 333 through 335 before I look at the activity. I think it'll make it easier if we do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to click out of this, and I'm going to go back to the course materials. Someone's always driving by. Okay, let's look in Module 2. Quizzes, tests, and assignments. Actually should say activities. It says quizzes, tests, and assignments. We'll go there. Okay, this next activity is a windshield survey. And I'm going to click there. Okay, this is the activity 2. This is where, as a group, 1 or 2 or all of you or someone needs to actually go to the location where you have decided to do your project. Now, at first, you're not going to know what you're looking for, and you're not going to go out there. Let's say your topic is child abuse or domestic violence. You're not going to go out there and be looking for people who are in the act of committing child abuse or domestic violence while you're driving around. Now, maybe you might see it, and that would be something you want to write down. But what you're doing is you're looking at the area, because eventually we're going to see that some of the factors that are in a community may be contributing factors to the situation that the people there are experiencing. So what you want to do is go through the area, and you want to actually physically look at the area. And this is more than a just drive around the block. It is more than a just walk down the street. You actually want to have a parameter, because I may ask, what is the map? What is the area that you looked at? And so let's say you pick South Dallas. Well, I want to know, did you go through all of South Dallas? Did you go through specific parts of South Dallas? I need to know specifically that if I drove over there, I might see some of the same things you saw. Okay, so you want to, first you'll put your date and your names here, and you put all of the students' names, and then choose an area of the town or the city that you have planned to explore. Do not expect to find all of the answers here. This is part of a bigger process, okay? Much bigger process. So this may be the windshield survey initially that you do to meet this requirement of this activity. However, you may find that you need to do this again later, that you need to take another look, or that maybe your windshield survey was not to your liking, or not thorough enough to give you the information that you needed. So expect that. Also, it is helpful if everyone in the group can participate in some way. Now, everyone in the group won't be able to go all at the same time, but you could divide up various streets. I mean, there's lots of different ways you can do this. So what you want to look at is, when I go over there, what am I really looking at here? What kind of community is this? What supports are available to the community? What's not available? And the best way to know that is if you go to this website. Okay, I want you to be able to look at this website, so I'm going to cut. I'm going to paste it in here. Well, let me go to a different page. I'm going to paste it in my browser. I'm going to push go. There. From a resource called the Community Toolbox, they talk about the purpose of windshield and walking surveys. You must read this before you do this activity. Please read this before you go on your windshield or before you go visit the community, so that you can understand, what are we looking for? What difference does it make? Why do I care about this? Okay? And then I'm also going to post a video there that's not there yet, but I'll post it in this section so that you can see what's going on. Okay, so it talks about, how do you conduct this? What are the questions that you want to know when you go over there? Who is going to be looking here? Which people in your group? So review this website before you do anything else. All right, let's go back to our windshield survey. Hold on. Let me go back this way. Oops. Okay, get there from there. Let me do this. Okay. So once you have done that, what are the community's assets, and answered all of these questions, then you're ready to upload the assignment as a group. You want to be sure you do this in a timely manner. I have allotted the entire semester to complete these activities. However, they need to be completed in order. So if you haven't done activity 1 yet, don't jump to activity 2. Okay? Do 1, 2, 3. Okay? In that order. Let me know if you have any questions.